Soumya, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be trying some viral fashion and beauty hacks. So I'm sure each one of you guys have watched these kind of videos on Instagram, on YouTube, like 5 minutes craft, 5 minutes DIY, and they do some crazy DIY so easily and so quickly. So let's just try in real life and see how does it work. And yeah, it's gonna be a very fun video. Watch the video till the end, and if you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So for the first hack, she's wearing a baggy t-shirt in reverse direction. So I'm gonna put the sleeves first, and yeah. So there are buttons here, so I can just fit properly to my waist. And this is how it looks. I can say it's a baggy off-shoulder crop top. And yeah, I can say I wouldn't wear this outside because the off-shoulder is really loose. Can you see this? And yeah, it might just fall off anytime. And I would suggest you to wear this with a spaghetti racer band top, and it would really look cool. But still, outside I wouldn't prefer. So I don't think so this will work in real life. So thumbs down for this. And yeah. So the second hack is very interesting, and she's making a dress from a cloth. So I didn't find a longer cloth, so I'm using this dupatta anyway. So she's worn a bra and which has good elastic. So I'm just gonna start putting this inside. And I think I will have to ask my mom's help because I can't reach out back. I'll try for it. Yeah. And I'm just gonna putting a belt near my waist. So this is how it looks once I took off the top. And yeah, this looks really nice. I'll give just a close-up. So yeah, this looks really nice, but काफी delicate है. Everything can just fall off any time. And yeah, I wouldn't wear this outside for any reason, but just to click some pictures, I think you can go for this. And don't forget to use a thick cloth. मैंने एक दुपट्टा use की है. You need to use a thick cloth to you know, fit really well. So let's just move to the next hack. So in this hack, she's making a one shoulder top with shorts, and she's inserting a hand in one of the holes and inserting her whole head inside another one. I don't think so mine will go. So the head just got in, but I don't think so my whole of the body will go inside. So yeah, to try this, I think you need to be skinny and you shouldn't have any boobs, or you should buy like a big XXL size Bermuda for this. So yeah, I don't think so. So in the next hack, she's making a shrug from a cloth. So I have the dupatta here. So I think this is cool. This looks good actually on her. So it's easy as well. So I can just put this on. So for the next hack, she is making a shrug from a cloth. So I have dupatta here. So yeah, I think this is cool. This looks good on her, and it's super easy as well. So this is how it looks. I really liked it and it's very comfortable, and I just did it in seconds, and yeah, this is how it looks. I think this is perfect for beach where you wear like a bralette or a spaghetti top and just you know, DIY your shrug, and you can make like plenty of shrugs with cloths like this, and I really liked this. You can definitely try it out, and thumbs up for this. So yeah, so the last hack is a beauty hack, and this is to get a perfect winged eyeliner. So I have the brush and eyeliner. So I'm gonna cut this brush in V shape, and I'm not gonna retake this. So I have only one brush. So it's
I don't know, the other part isn't getting cut. Yeah, it's done. So it's almost in V shape. So yeah, it's almost in V shape. Here's the camera, okay? So I've cut it, and now I'm gonna dip it in liquid eyeliner. So I'm using Lakme Insta eyeliner. So I'm gonna dip this inside. Samya, be careful. So sorry for this, and yeah, I'm gonna dip this inside and try this. Let me just get a mirror.
So let's try this. I'm keeping this V shape right at the end, I think like this. Maybe, yeah. So I haven't you know, cut like a sharp V, so I think this will work. So it's taking the same shape of the brush, like you cut it. Yeah, it's nice actually. So I've cut it blunt, so that's the reason the shape is like that. And yeah, this is how it is looking. I think this will work, but you need to cut it properly, and you need to take like a nice brush. So I think that's it for the hacks. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share this with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. And we are so close to 10k. Let's just reach 10k before 2020. And I'll be hosting a giveaway once we reach 10k, and also I'm planning for a live. And don't forget to comment down what you guys think about the video, and like the video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.